I've got a lettuce smackdown for you. Which is better, winter sown lettuce or direct sown lettuce? Or both? Now remember, winter sown lettuce is when you throw the seeds out in little mini greenhouses and little milk jugs out in the middle of winter and throw them in the snow, and then they come up all hardened and nice for you in the spring. And then direct sown is when you just wait till your last frost and you put your seeds in and you start growing in spring. Okay, these right here are my winter sown lettuces. And I'm trying to think of what date we're in. We're in June, around the 14th, something like that, 13th or 14th. And when I first put these in, I took them each out of their milk jugs, and I was way late getting them in. They were really super leggy. See, like that? They were really leggy, and I thought, oh, they're not going to grow at all. They were like a train wreck. They were all wilted and tipping over and super leggy, and I thought I blew it for the year. These are all romaine, by the way. And what I did was, they were so leggy, I buried most of them. Like this one right here, I buried at least twice that much under the soil. This one, you can see I buried the whole way. And people say, oh, you can't bury stems. You can only bury tomato stems. That's not true. You can bury a lot of things. Right here, I buried about 2 inches of that. That one I left quite a bit above. And I've had them in about, I want to say 7 or 8 days. And they're looking really good. I'm pleased with them. So, mosquito. The question is, do you winter sow lettuce? Absolutely. Did I wait too long? Yes. I would have much rather gotten them when they were just nice and healthy looking with little short stems and they weren't so leggy. But I am super pleased with this, and we're just in the beginning of June, so they're going to be fantastic. Here are some that I purchased, and you can see how they've made some nice heads. I've been eating off of these quite a bit already. And today I only put 6 in a container for that size. And I probably put too many in, but oh well, that's what I do. And I can always transplant them if they get too crowded. But that is the maximum I would put in a tub this size. That's 2 foot by 3 foot by about 8 inches. Okay, my next winter sown one is the Red Flame, which is, I love romaine. These are my 2 favorites, Red Flame and romaine. And again, these were all wilted and just sticking to each other and laying down. I thought, oh man, I'm not going to winter sow lettuce. But guess what? They all perked up. The train wreck is over. I mean, nice, firm lettuce leaves, and I've been eating off of these too. And these were a little bit leggy too, but they're doing great. Fantastic. Okay, so those are my winter sown ones right here. Now I've got one more to show you, and then I'm going to show you my direct... No, actually, I'll show you my direct sown on the way over. Okay, these, I just planted the seeds about pretty much the same day I put the winter sown ones in. Maybe 12 days ago. And I'm just now getting my first little bits of lettuce peeping out. And you can see I put less in this bed because I always am experimenting. I think you get bigger growth when you have less in the tub, obviously. And I sprinkled a lot more in this one because I also like baby greens. So here's another one right here. And here's one right here. So that's what it means to direct sow your lettuce seeds. You wait till your last frost, you put your seeds in, and you just start growing. So which would you rather have right now? This, or, wait till you see the next one. I haven't shown you yet. This, and you could be eating already. This is one of the many beauties of winter sowing. Okay, let me show you the last one. It's even better than these. Okay, this one, got lots of slugs out here. I about killed myself slipping, so I gotta be careful. Okay, this is Butter Crunch. Let me get a good footing here. These were, I mean, these have exploded. I wish I would have taken a picture when they looked so bad. I was just sure they weren't going to make it. All of them. I really messed up. I was so busy. I didn't get them all done in time. I probably was like 3 weeks late getting them planted. And these have grown in that same size tub. I want to say they've doubled in size, maybe even more in 10 days. Fantastic. And they were all leggy, and I planted these suckers deep. I mean, you can see there's a little bit of legginess here. That one has got a lot of legginess. And even with that, they're still finding their footing, and they're super firm, super strong. I guess that one was romaine right there. Some of the seeds got mixed up, but this Butter Crunch is looking fantastic. Just starting to eat from this. I wanted to give it a really good go. And then more of the red leaf. I wish you could feel it. You know, sometimes this gets real crepe papery and real thin, and this is not. It's real strong. And then that back there, I don't know what that is. If that's just another version of the red leaf, I think. And let me see, I had one more little tray where I stuck some in over here. Yeah, just these 3 right here went in. And they're doing fine. So, to me, the answer is, which do you do? Which is better? Winter sowing or direct sowing? Well, the answer obviously is both, because you want to be, another mosquito. Sorry, it's almost sunset here. You want to have succession planting, which means you have plants that are coming up this week and next week and the week after. You don't want to have them all coming up at once. Actually, these are all going to be coming up at once. So we're having a lot of salads right now. And then we're going to put them in smoothies. They blend up really well. So I've got a lot of lettuce going on this season. I'm super pleased with winter sowing and super pleased with my direct sowing. So once I get to eating most of these, and mind you, I'll be breaking off lots of leaves, and it loves to have a haircut. It'll be growing more and more. Then I'll be munching on those that'll be coming up over there. So hope you enjoy this. You tell me, which do you think is the smackdown winner? Go down in the comment section and let me know if you've direct sown or winter sown your lettuce, and what you think about maybe trying this technique next season, so you have more lettuce than everybody on the block when the last frost happens. All right, sending you much love and happiness in your garden. As always, this is Cheryl saying goodbye for now. Bye-bye.